a snout which set the swinging 60s on the way. And a roar which revolutionised railway travel on the East Coast Main Line. This is Tulyar, a member of the Deltic class of locomotive. Back on the move for the first time in almost 3 decades.
Oh, absolutely wonderful. Absolutely. We've got a bit of a... Yeah. I didn't think it would take this long, but we've done it properly. There's a few niggling things we've got to sort out, but it's nothing unsurmountable. It won't get done fairly quickly.
22 Deltics replaced a fleet of 55 steam engines on the East Coast mainline route. They also cut an hour off the London to Edinburgh journey time. But they only lasted 20 years, and by 1982 they were being withdrawn.
Behind that you've got the blower motors. They are motor at each end.
But they had their own followers. 6 have been preserved, and the prototype, and the Deltic Preservation Society look after 3 of them.
Miles of wire, yes. One wire we had to replace, there was a problem with. That was 80 feet of wire, that's one circuit. It's the complexity. If you imagine household wiring that's 60 years old is probably long past its sell-by date, well, we've got lots of electrical switches now. This thing is all relays. All the relays have got points on there, all the points are silver, they're oxidised. The contacts from the points to the wires are oxidised. It's been a nightmare. Every time we've gone from one circuit and found one relay and fixed it, you move on, the circuit still won't work, and that's because the next thing in the circuit doesn't work either.
Oh, it's a momentous occasion. Yeah, after 28 years. It's fantastic. A lot of it is just down to the complex of the engines and the electrics on them, you know. And this one's had a major body overhaul as well, so it's basically a brand new body. You name it, everything's been done on it, really. This last ran on the main line in 1982. We did the farewell to Deltics in 1982. I'm confident it would run again, like I say, but we had the fact is we're maintaining 2 other locos as well, and we've only got a limited workforce. So that basically took a back burner most of the time. That's why it's taken so long.
The short runs at Barrow Hill on the demonstration line have allowed the volunteers to savour their moment of triumph. Coming next, some small fixes and then visits to other heritage railways, meaning that Deltic roar will once again be heard up and down the land.